Tonight on Axles, an Italian woman learning to cook Irish soda bread.
Welcome to while you're baking. I'll say.
She being glass while she's doing that.
Yeah.
Good evening. Can I say good evening or no? Or no? Just what are you saying? Just say hi. Hi.
Welcome to Axel's Kitchen.
Hi.
No, just welcome to Axel's Kitchen. Then you can say hi.
Okay.
I'm. However you want to reference yourself.
Okay.
You can use a fake name.
No, it's fine. This is Bubbles.
You won't get any hate mail.
Thelma and Louise tonight are making some Irish soda bread.
I've been getting some hate mail.
I can imagine.
Welcome to Axel's Kitchen. Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm here tonight, invited to Axel's Kitchen to make Irish soda bread with Michele. Michele is going to learn how to make Irish soda bread. This Irish soda bread recipe, cheers by the way. Where's your drink? In lieu of the fact that it's St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, we are going to...
I don't like the dark beers.
I didn't ask you if you like dark beers.
I'm just telling everybody.
Okay. Well, anyway, cheers. This recipe was handed down from my grandmother from Ireland, and her last name was Donnellan, so cheers to the Donnellan family, and oh my God, I'm horrible at this. See,
You already did cheers.
I can't do it. All right, well, you'll get me. You'll know how to cut and paste. Okay.
You have a lot of editing to do.
A lot of it, I just leave it in sometimes because it makes for a funny video.
Gag reel.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to need 3 cups of flour, which we have.
everything.
Michele is going to Crisco our pan. Oh, you know what? You need to preheat the oven. Already going. Very good. We're going to need 3 cups of flour. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
We are Crisco'd.
Thank you very much. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of raisins, which are already done. We're going to need 2 eggs that are beaten. Let's beat them just in case. Actually, no, you can get me a mixer.
Electric mixer?
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering how we were going to mix all that.
Oh no, I don't mean just a hand mixer. Just
A whisk?
Yeah, whisk or a spatula. That's the word I'm looking for. 2 cups of buttermilk.
You like a whisk or a rubber spatula?
Rubber spatula. And now, the last part is anise. Some people use anise seeds, some people use anise extract. For tonight's purpose, we're going to use anise extract.
Because that's what I had. Because
Other than that, you can use about a 1/2 teaspoon of anise seeds. And then we're going to mix the entire thing together till it forms a nice dough. So now we're all mixed. We have the entire thing ready to go. We're going to put it in a Crisco'd pan. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Now, you have the option of putting raisins in it or not putting raisins in it. You can put the anise seeds or the anise extract, however you want. And some people, instead of raisins, actually do currants.
Currants.
Currants?
Currants.
Currants. rants.
Rants.
Everyone says it differently. However you want to say it is fine. Potato, patata, currant, doesn't matter to me.
Because personally, I don't even eat this, to be honest with you.
Way to sell it.
But my family loves it.
But you're gonna be so
Just like
happy.
there's a lot of things in your life that you make you don't like, but you leave
Here we
it.
go into the oven, 350 degrees, 45 minutes. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Axel's
Garage.
Kitchen.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, I got it. All right, so we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees, 45 minutes. Here we go. It's gonna come out delicious.
It's my favorite word.
Not moist.
No, delicious is definitely her favorite word.
All right, there you go. So now we can make another one real quick if you want without the raisins. This way you have it tomorrow.
Sure.
We'll just have to get me the ingredients.
Do I have to
but-
clean this bowl again, or just put it right in?
No, we'll just put it right in. Yeah, I just need everything.
You're
It's,
pissing everybody off this week, huh?
How much?
listen,
1
2 cups. If you if you
Yeah.
need more footage, just tell me because I'm ready to roll right now. Like I'm ready to film. Like here we go. Oh, we're still on. Here we go. All right.
Well, you can
We
do it
need
again.
2 eggs
We can do one like this and see which one comes out better.
beaten.
That's
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna beat 2 eggs.
We're gonna have a half a cup of sugar.
Did you put sugar in the other one?
Yep.
Yes,
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
And we need eggs is the most important part here as far as not having any shells.
Half a cup of sugar.
Very good. I need 3 cups of flour. Okay, 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs beaten. We need to have a half a cup of sugar,
There.
2 cups of buttermilk. And this is the recipe that we're going to do without raisins. And we need to have a teaspoon of baking soda. My assistant Michele is going to Crisco the pan. A teaspoon of baking powder.
If you don't have Crisco, you can also use like the cooking sprays and butter, but personally, Crisco is the best.
Way
Butter
better.
tends to burn things. I found that out recently. Burned a cake on the bottom when I greased it with butter because that's all I had. It does, because the butter almost like cooks in the
Fries it
fries the like the cake.
You can
And
add
of
some.
course, it was something I was bringing to work. So, yeah.
You can add some anise seeds or anise extract, whichever you prefer. Tonight we're going to use a little bit of anise extract. Just like about 1/4 to a half a teaspoon will do. And then we're going to mix it all up. So this is the recipe that we're making for Irish soda bread without the raisins. Because not everybody wants raisins in their Irish soda bread.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh,
Back
okay.
into
You
the
put everything in?
Yep.
Baking powder, baking soda.
Everything is ready to go.
Quick.
Quick and easy.
Oh wait, I think we'll probably go right next to it, right? Yeah. All right, go. Yeah, I'll slide it right in.
It's Irish. It's not that exact.
We have about a minute left, and we are going to give it the toothpick test to make sure that it is cooked inside and ready to take out. So, Michele, help me. Okay, so you want the toothpick, once you put it into the cake, to come out without any kind of batter on it. Then you know that it is cooked. Yep. And we'll do it in a couple of spots, just to make sure. And that one looks good. So now the other one we put in is going to be about 5 more minutes. So we're gonna
And
let that
one
here
sit
is the
there.
final product, our Irish soda bread, live from Axel's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and when you get a chance, please subscribe to Axel's Kitchen.
Happy St. Patty's Day!